Rolling Loud, Palm Tree Crew, Something in the Water, and many other festivals and events all know that building hype for their drops is key to successful ticket sales. In this video, we're gonna go over exactly how you can set up your next festival or events drop page with Laylo. So that way you can capture your fans and make the most out of your next ticket drop. Let's get right into it. Okay, so right here to get started, let's log into your Laylo account and then click Create a Drop. As you know, everything at Laylo is centered around the concept of a drop. If you don't have an account yet, you can check out our quick start video linked at the top of the description. Okay, first, let's add a piece of media. This can be a JPEG, PNG, or GIF. This is gonna appear at the top of the drop page, as you can see here on the right. So make sure it's high quality and looks good. Below that, let's add the title of your event. So I'm gonna go ahead and add exclusive ticket offer. Okay. Yeah, keep this short and sweet and like add an emoji or use all caps to make sure it stands out. This is gonna appear nice and big on the preview right here on the right. Then we can add a 1 to 2 sentence description that explains why people should sign up for your drop. We'll do RSVP to be the first to know when our exclusive ticket offer drops. And that's how easy it is to set up the drop page. So from here, we can move on to the drop day message. The drop day message is sent to everyone that RSVPs for the drop at the designated drop date and time you pick here. Use your drop day message to immediately notify fans the second tickets go on sale or your special ticket offer drops. Okay, go ahead and type something in here. Make sure when you do this, you include any important details or links that will help your audience know where to go. You can pick what date and time you want the drop message to be sent out right below. Okay, you also have the option to show a countdown or the date on the drop page, or neither if you haven't decided yet. So that's up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the countdown because it looks pretty fun and it gives that sense of urgency that we're going for. Then next to send to right here at the bottom, we can click only RSVP for this drop. And we're almost done here. Go ahead and click finish to spin up the drop page. And here we have our drop page. Okay, up top we have 2 options. You can either copy the link to this drop page and immediately share it with your fans to start collecting signups, or we can go ahead and click customize and jump into a few more customizable features. Under the style section, you can customize your drop to make it perfect for your event or festival. You can pick your brand color from the options provided or add your own using hex code. You can also select your font from over 1,000 options and pick a theme like blacklight, spectral, haze, or keep it as default. This looks pretty sick to me, so I'm gonna go with that. Now that the drop page is created, we have a few more tabs that have appeared at the top of the screen. So let's go through each one. Go ahead and click on the messaging tab first. The RSVP confirmation is the message your fans will receive right after they sign up. So we have a default one plugged in here for you, but we encourage you to customize it to your liking. Okay, if you look here at the preview, it's gonna automatically format for SMS or email. We call that our magic template. If you wanna create your own template using your own branding or coloring, you can create one natively right here. That's pretty much it for messaging. Let's move on to the advanced tab. If you're interested in using our Instagram DM integration, this is where we can add custom keywords that your fans can DM or text you if they wanna join your drop. So you can add words like tickets or discount or even an emoji. And then next, let's jump into the sharing tab. So in the sharing tab, you can find a link to your drop, which you can share anywhere, like your Instagram story, link in bio, or in email blasts. You also have 2 QR codes, so if you're doing any in-person events leading up to your event or drop, you have the option to print out your QR code here, which I find to be pretty helpful. And finally, the last thing, you have the option to embed, where you can copy the code to your drop page and add it directly to your site. Okay, so the last page is for analytics. On the analytics page, you're able to track everything from how many views your drop page got, how many people signed up. You can have a list of fans, their locations, dates, acquisition data, and all that fun stuff. So even after your drop goes live, you'll have the ability to message your fans using our native messaging portal. All you have to do is choose who to send it to, select the drop, and send a message to those fans at any point during or after the drop. And now you're ready to drop tickets to your event or festival like a Laylo Pro.